10 things we need to do to prevent ransomware. 1. Regularly backup data. Ensure that all important data is backed up regularly and stored in a secure location. This will help to minimize the impact of a ransomware attack. 2. Keep software up to date. Ensure that all software, including operating systems, applications, and security software, is up to date with the latest security patches and updates. 3. Use strong passwords. Ensure that all user accounts have strong passwords that are changed regularly. Consider implementing two-factor authentication for added security. 4. Educate employees. Provide regular cybersecurity awareness training to all employees to help them identify and prevent ransomware attacks. This should include information on how to recognize phishing emails and suspicious links. 5. Implement access controls. Limit access to sensitive data and systems to only those who need it. This will help to prevent unauthorized access and reduce the risk of a ransomware attack. 6. Use anti-malware software. Install and regularly update anti-malware software on all devices to help detect and prevent ransomware attacks. 7. Monitor network activity. Regularly monitor network activity for any suspicious activity or anomalies. This will help to detect and prevent ransomware attacks before they can cause significant damage. 8. Develop an incident response plan. Develop and regularly test an incident response plan that outlines the steps to take in the event of a ransomware attack. This should include procedures for isolating infected systems, restoring data from backups, and notifying law enforcement. 9. Conduct regular risk assessments. Conduct regular risk assessments to identify vulnerabilities and areas for improvement in your cybersecurity defenses. 10. Stay informed. Stay up to date on the latest ransomware threats and trends, and adjust your cybersecurity defenses accordingly. Follow us for more information.